So we just arrived on campus and we are awaiting the arrival of a team from Needham. We are going to help them out because they're just starting FLL, and we're going to teach them a little bit about the robot game, about project, about core values. So right now we're just going to prepare for that. We're going to make sure our robot game is set up, and we're going to make some t-shirts for them. Hello.
Hi, come on in. Come on over here, everybody.
I'm Peter. I'm a freshman. I'm Adam, also a freshman.
I'm Charlie. I'm in 8th grade.
I'm Leanne, also a freshman.
I'm Olive, I'm a freshman.
I'm Chris. I'm also a freshman.
Hi, I'm Colin, I'm a freshman.
You guys, you all want to introduce yourselves?
I'm freshman.
Hi.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 5th grade.
Nice.
My name's Joshua. I'm also in 5th grade. My name's Lucas, and I'm also in 5th grade. My name's Aura, and I'm also in 5th grade. My name's Kathy, 5th grade.
And I'm Adi.
I'm Chris.
And we are not in fifth grade. Well, so guys, what is your team?
Mighty Moo-ooons.
And what is our chant?
Yeah, we want to see this.
I am a cow. Moo.
Well, we made you some shirts from our team, but they're still drying. Olive, you want to talk about the shirts?
So this is our logo. We're the Brick Wolves, and so our school mascot's a wolf, and so we made a wolf basically out of Legos.